Hi everyone, today I'll be going through how to do sewing on Amigurumi. So I will be going through two methods. First step for any sewing is to pin your items in place first, like this. So I usually use my embroidery needles to serve this function since I don't have sewing pins, but if you have sewing pins, feel free to use that as well. So the first method that I'll be going through is using post stitches on the edges of the two parts of the amigurumi that you want to sew. So in this case, I have my mudkip and I will be sewing the head to the body. I will be taking the post of the single crochet stitch at the edge of the head and the body. So you can see that I am taking the post stitches of the body, but for the head it is not so exact because there are different rows, different rounds that are involved in the sewing process. So I will just take the nearest post and do the sewing together with the post stitch of the body. At the end of the sewing, you just tie a knot . And insert your needle across the body like this and pull out the tail from the other end of the body. So you just pull it tight to make sure that the ends of the knot is not shown. So using the post stitch method to do the sewing, you can see that there is a seamless sew between the head and the body. So I usually use this method for sewing large pieces of amigurumi together because it is more sturdy. So the other method that I'll be using is actually using front loops to sew. So in this case, I'm showing an example of me sewing the eye base for the compascan. So this is usually used for small items like this eye base, for example. It is very small, so it is very hard to actually use the post of the single crochet stitches. So instead of that, I will take the front loops of the edge of the single crochet. So I'll take the front loops and attach it to the post stitch that is the nearest to the pinned location that I want the piece to be. I will take the post stitch of the body and I will take the front loop of the eye. So you get this nice edging at the end where you can't really see the boundary of the eye and the head, which is exactly what we want when we are sewing amigurumi. So that's all for the quick tutorial on how to sew amigurumi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more crochet videos. Bye!